Want to Mary?
Mary the brownie, you know me love so much. Vex how me never get for share.
Well, she still there. I told me, see her what day, and she said to bring her to the come link her.
Today?
Yeah,
What time that?
right now.
Right now?
Right now.
Yeah, now I look very natural, the Reggie single only, not this available, but entitled to deal with any girl.
Bum, 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 bum. You step cross like a brave and you know say a coward.
No, man, never in a go, man.
You see all the shakiness in your foot.
No, man.
See it, yeah? ROK Hotel. That's how it's in. Come on like a brave. Reggie stepping in.
Tomorrow, my dear, we go down to the doctor. I forgot get a trim and shave yesterday. Me did I beg you something. This morning, me they are wounded. Tomorrow, I will go down to the place. Do me that job. If I even think we go down there, when we go down there and I wait for the doctor, hungry can't go to the street, go buy nothing. I will just sit down there looking at space.
Your trim and shave already, you're good.
No, sir, job. That now have nothing to do with it. Now I beg you something that when I go down there, I can't buy something to eat and something to drink.
Just get up early, make some breakfast, then go down
Yeah, right now, you know, mother pizza already.
I make a campaign for your money not good enough for pay.
Mother pizza left two food. I go up there with Uncle $3, the 100 I have. I tell him to give me 2 Pepsi, I owe him $100. Can't pay him, I'm take it from him from 2 days ago.
Your name good up, man, you can't hold him for long.
No, man, I have to be the man, cause him a look for it. Every time him see me, him a look for me and we are like him dying for the where the $100 there. I'm wounded.
So, where you start? You start hide from him now?
Walk by the shop to me, want him to see me.
So
Can't go in there, go buy not even a Pepsi.
Oh, you're not going there for your home because you don't want him to see you.
Let me not tell you what I go on me that shop. They are wounded and tomorrow I have to go down at the place.
Want to Mary?
Mary the brownie, you know me love so much. Vex how me never get for share.
Well, she still there. I told me, see her what day, and she said to bring her to the come link her.
Today?
Yeah,
What time that?
right now.
Right now?
Right now.
So I know you go down there?
Yeah, man, forward.
A lie.
Oh, you don't know if you open that door yet? Oh, you open it now.
No, you must see it point out, yes, sir. Yes, sir, point out.
Yeah, man, them door is stylish.
And there's nothing wrong with it.
No, I said,
Oh, yes, sir, gone out.
I said it's still, man, Tesla
I
style.
just squeeze that right open.
Yeah, so that's coming.
And that me do, me just squeeze it and see it fly open.
Oh, yeah, man, a Tesla
And
style.
what them vehicle name?
You tell me what name what they are. Say name there, say name there, what name?
Oh, Jet Hour.
Oh, yeah.
Are you drive them official vehicle at the one tier white car?
See them, I look through the roof.
Aye, your white car not show you that.
Nah, show the sun.
Yeah.
Sun roof.
Just know all the juicy beef here with a patty and a cocoa bread and something for drink.
If you have money, we can bring you out.
Allah, that's a gwan.
You don't have to spend.
So what kind of drive you there on right now?
Mary, me can't go link. You can't go link Mary on the hungry belly.
Mary?
Yeah.
You gonna look for Mary right now?
Right now, down at the hotel.
So what Mary can do for me, Reggie, and you today?
Me don't want Mary do nothing for me. I want Mary do something for you.
Say you can't make a link her and she do something for me.
Yeah, but I no money she deal with that. Some of the buff she gonna give away and I get long time.
So you have the buff down there?
What you mean the buff not under?
Under!
Yeah, the buff under there. Yeah, I understand. So the buff we are talking about, that one she give. That not good enough.
Yeah, man.
You're deep in the belly.
Yeah.
Alright. Me have a pack of boots in my background this I can give. Although it look like a risky, we're deep in it without boots. Can you not play now?
Yeah, rainbow.
I give a pack of boots. But you go link on my dog too and get one of them blue pills. So let me know if you want it.
Yeah, rainbow. What may I do it, Bill?
What you mean? Suppose the boy not so active.
Yeah, I know.
If a boy not so active, you have to stay and pep it up, man.
Yeah, I know.
So you want the pill?
Yeah. Me not take them pill, man.
Naturally, I go fit.
Yeah, now I look very natural, the Reggie single only. Not this available, but engaged to any girl.
Reggie's not this. What you say? Come on, get that part. Reggie's not this available.
Yeah, just engaged to any girl.
Reggie engaged to any girl. So Reggie's single.
Yeah, single, disengaged, and entitled to deal with any girl.
Bum, 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 bum. Jack that again. Jack that speech check. And that way I'm not quick for the girl them. Reggie single. Disengaged.
Yeah, in my room, I'm me alone in the single.
Yeah, disengaged.
No girl.
No girl. So you're entitled to deal with any girl.
Yeah, I'm single.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, Lord. You're going to move in that girl, sir? And that's how they pray?
No, I said. A girl never tell me say she my husband yet. And at that moment she tell me.
You want that girl tell us that she is your husband? You sound like a fish. Oh, girl for be husband. Now I gotta style that.
No, man, a girl love a man and say, you are my man, you're my husband.
Oh, you fix up the talk now, but you did talk it fishy the first time.
No, man, not have a woman who love a man and a man who love a woman.
But you say woman, you want the woman to be your husband, that's not right. And you are going to be the woman's husband.
Yeah, but she gonna be my wife.
Is it? You don't want a wife. You don't want a little cute girl or no girlfriend. It's a wife thing you want. Somebody to take care of you. Cook your proper meal because you love your food. Blend up some proper juice.
You know, like how mother be old already. She can't cook nothing this night again.
If mother P ever hear you say that mother P stop cook for you, but she can't cook nothing taste nice. Mother P.
The girl them out there can cook better but down with you.
Yeah, sell out. First man me you sell out their mother.
No man, but she not cook no right food.
Everybody me know say their mother cooking are the best. You are the first man me know sell out your mother.
No man. And the mother cook best, man.
Everybody me know.
Some girl out there
if you ask me, I will say my mother cooking are the best. If you ask anybody, I'm going to say their mother cooking are the best.
Cause that them zaddies when them just that grow.
That's why them think are the best.
Yeah, but when you go a certain girl, you had to eat and them say you eat. And the best thing that you eat.
You Reggie, a licky boy. You
man.
can't hype up girl cooking over your mother cooking. That's some licky style.
No, man. But you live all the yard now, gone to some girl yard.
Yeah.
And you don't know them cook.
Yeah.
When them done dealing with the food tastes better than how your mother cook.
You're bright. No girl can't cook better than my mother. You're mad. And my mother cooking are the best, Reggie. First of all.
Your mother?
I mean.
Your mother can cook?
Yeah, so your mother can't cook.
Yeah, but them cook all kind of different things.
I just try licky all over your belly. That's how you have problem.
No, man, and look how me, mother. Me no eat no food. And when me get to eat, me eat.
Me don't even like eat from girl.
No,
so
I'm a certain girl where you don't know. You have to know her still and know that you can cook and run the thing proper. And not any girl.
Reach near to Mary now. Oh, when you got Mary still and Mary will cook for you. The hotel food you will get.
Chop food down there.
The hotel have food down there. Eat all you can. Them buffet style don't want go fun.
Yeah.
You never got one of that yet. Yo, you never got one that eat all you can.
No.
I forgot. I just trying to like God. Cause look how I just bring a girl one of them hotel that day pass or one night. But you just eat any amount of food you can eat, any amount of meat, any amount of
Which
you
bar
bread,
that?
rice.
Which bar that?
In one of them hotel have a buffet style.
Me never know that.
Never know that. Yeah man, but we can go North Coast Hotel. Any one of the hotel them you go, and them style Reggie, that hotel eat food and tell. You can't eat no more.
Me no get so much food for eat.
Cause you know like go the way when we tell you make we touch the road, you're not forward.
No man, yeah, tell me about go beach and some far place.
So when you go hotel beach and the damn pool there, they say I have to walk with the beach clothes and pool and forward.
Yeah.
Everything there, you know? Everything. That's why it's called an all-inclusive hotel. Anything you want, entertainment, recreation, food,
Them have
bar,
everything in there.
everything in there.
Allah, you got that ready?
Yeah man, enough time man. The hotel for days man. Enough time with the hotel for days, Reggie.
Never know that I go on. Cause me just see my yard, cause me not know where I go.
See the hotel there?
I
See
eat
that?
that.
So you see ROK Hotel.
Yeah.
Yeah man, ROK Hotel that. So you feel now? No, say I go. No, say I go pull up on Mary, how you feel?
Yeah, I see a long time I don't see such person.
First you go see such person, so I know you get a long time in it. First you go see such person. So you have to make me know. Yeah man. Thank you. Welcome like waste man. So I park over here, so I shall park over hotel now, but that's not parking. So I look at one park, is it?
Yeah.
And then you go over there go visit Mary. But it look like you get nervous, so you get so quiet.
No man, don't you say you ever visit me here?
Yeah. On to one park. Yeah, step cross brave though, I know say you're coward. Yeah, step cross like a brave and you know say you're coward.
No man, never in a go man.
You see all the shakiness in your foot?
No man.
You're visiting? So we reach at the lobby.
Hey, we learn. Let me drink and drop down to my house. My bed receive me. You know if it's up on my bed when I drink. When you see a road and drink and drop, you just walk me up here. So flat. Flat on your head. Flat on your back.
Coming Reggie back. See that? ROK Hotel. No, yes, yes, yes. That's how it's in. Come on, like a beer. Reggie stepping in.